Hey guys, my name is Luke. Welcome to Sow Grow. And today I'm going to make you guys cringe by what we mow with a finish mower. Stay tuned. So this is one of our larger properties. It's pretty much all trails. There's a couple parking lots. Yeah, you guys always talk about how we abuse our mowers on the trails. Well, the trails that we mow in the woods, where all the complaints from you guys come from, is like 10% of what we mow. 90% is fairly maintained grass trails or fields. So, just to show you a bit of the carnage and a bit of the normal mowage. We did have to replace the gearbox on the mower deck. It was leaking a bunch of gear oil, but it was kind of pooling on the pulley in an area that we couldn't see it, and it wasn't dripping on the ground, so we didn't know about that. And then it just totally locked up one day. So that sucked, but other than that, this has been a really reliable mower, and I showed you guys what we mow through, so we're not easy on them. Let's say that. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Why do people do this? Go shoot your own shit. Don't shoot public shit. If we picked up every single little stick on the trails, we would never get anything done. This property alone has probably over 4 miles of trails. That was a brutal one. Well, it appears this route is blocked. Shall turn around. Swampy. This is always here. But this year it's got more ruts from tractors from that leased farm field back there. Anyway, this is how we get around it. Okay, it's gotten super windy, so I'm hiding behind the door here a little bit of the truck. Anyway, we have the very back trails to do, and to access them, it's kind of weird. I have to go through someone's yard and drive right by their house. We have an easement through their property, so come along, we'll show you the strange route we take. Nice. Okay, they had some of their kids' toys out and a camper in the way, so we're gonna have to just scratch that one and come back later next week. Not a big deal. So I have this little parking lot here, kind of a little trail here, and then we're done with this property. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.